Manifold kitchen lighting varieties allow a homeowner to expand meal prep and dining areas visually, set accents, and divide the space. A kitchen looks refreshed even if just the light concept has been renewed. Why do you need a kitchen lighting concept? Whenever you ponder over a total makeover for a house or decide on introducing minor modifications, such as revision of lighting in kitchen, implement a comprehensive approach. A home looks more trendy if an open-floor kitchen matches the adjacent rooms. Well, this applies to light too. Kitchen lighting. What factors to take into account? Innovative technologies allow you to realize almost any idea or a concept. But how to light a kitchen and its various storage units, meal prep surfaces, and gathering areas? Besides the appearance and configuration of lights themselves, you'd better pay attention to the size, form, required light spectrum, and bulb options. To sort it out, let's streamline and categorize all aspects for a clearer picture. Kitchen lighting. Layers and types. Light in kitchen cannot be single-layered. Basic, or essential, light is great, yet still, it is insufficient as it doesn't provide depth while creating unwanted shadows. Hence, additional lamps are required to ensure all zones are illuminated well. Lighting in kitchen consists of 4 major types, sometimes called layers. Ambient lighting. Called by pros a general, or base, light layer. Built-in LEDs and pendant lamps, sconces, and standing lamps ensure a lighting base gently bouncing off the surfaces. Accent lighting. All sorts of track lamps and recessed lights add accents and dimension to the whole space. Examples: picture lights, sconces, built-in under cabinet spotlights. Task lighting. As the name implies, this light type serves for illumination of all workspaces you plan to use for meal preparation. By the way, the pantry also needs light just to let you see your supplies stored on shelves. Decorative lighting. In dedicated online shops you can spot some visually pleasing decorative fixtures and sconces to complement the kitchen interior. They strike the eye as decorative elements. Besides light layers, light in the kitchen must be thought through and planned given various subzones and light functions. Key lighting zones. Ceiling light fixtures. Ceiling lamps are intended for illuminating large spaces. Countertop lighting. The meal prep surface definitely requires more light. Kitchen island lighting. Luminaires installed above the island function primarily as task lights. Cabinet illumination. Under cabinet and in cabinet spotlights can serve as both task and accent lights. Cooker hood illumination. These lights are meant for more efficient illumination of the cooking area and allow you to monitor the cooking process more efficiently. LED lights versus halogen lights, pros and cons. When it comes to the choice between traditional halogen lights and contemporary LEDs, the winner is definitely LED technology. More energy efficient compared to halogens, LEDs require less voltage and emit less heat. All in all, LEDs help to reduce carbon footprint and therefore are considered more environmentally friendly. Warm versus cold. What light is better? Given that the kitchen area is the most multifunctional and is used for both cooking and socializing, design experts advise opting for a light spectrum combo of cool and warm lighting. Give a thought to layered kitchen lighting. Cool LEDs to brighten working surfaces, set accents and highlights, and warm lights for creating a relaxing and warm environment for family meals, base and decorative lights. Update a kitchen zone with Groisman Construction, a remodeling company headquartered in San Diego.